was your favorite pizza. Subscribe and turn on notifications and hit that bell. And don't forget to follow me. Let's get started. So first we have some Pam, and then some pizza sauce, and then some pepperoni, my favorite, and then some more cheese, and then more cheese, and then pizza crust. So, are you ready, guys? Are you ready, guys? You ready? Let's get it started. So first, we'll cut the stove on, and you gotta put on bake, and you gotta put on 375. Oh shoot, a little too high. That's 375, and then put the pan on, shake it up because you don't want to stick on, and put it on the edges. Make sure it sticks on. And then do this. And that should be enough. The next step is we're going to put the pizza crust on there. And I'm going to put 3. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Oh, make sure not touching the pizza. Okay, and then we'll add a little butter and shake it up to make it crispy. We're done with that. And then we'll add some pizza sauce. And then we're going to gotta make sure you put it, you thank yourself, you put enough on it. And then stop with that one, and then we gotta put a lot on there, kids, because that's how you make so much of each pizza. I hope this is enough though. I think it is enough. Okay, we need to add some more, but it's okay. More. Get that out. And then we need some more. But first, hold on, we'll try to spread it out. Add some more. This much. That should probably be enough. I think this should be enough. Okay. And then we add the other pizza. Add a little more now. I think that should be enough. I think that's a little too much milk. Let's add some to this pizza. And then, now, I think I put a little too much on here, but it's okay. And then we stop. Okay, guys, should be enough. And now it's time to wash your hands. It's very important you wash your hands. Now my hands clean. You see it shiny. And now time to add cheese. Okay. Add a cheese. And then add a little more. Don't let me done. Cooking can get a little messy sometimes, but it's okay. finish doing this one, that's how it needs to be on the other ones too. Oh yeah. So, there's no. Wait, I gotta put my hand on it to spread it out. There's a little more on that one than I did the other one. Kind of worth it. I think that should be enough now for the other one. I need a lot of cheese for each pizza for some reason. I almost used up the whole container. I think that should be enough. Okay, then for the pepperoni. And then it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, so you need to be a little creative with pizza. So I'm about to make a smiley face. I make a cute smiley face girl. You have a lot of smile. You got a big smile. I mean, put the smile down a little. Get him. Like a silly smile. I should look like a flower. I'm actually gonna make it a flower instead. It's a flower. And then at the other one, now we will actually put a good pizza. Okay, okay, now we're slide face down. And then we'll put the other ones with cheese pizza. So we need this cheese. Hold on, guys. Gotta open it first. Okay, now it's open. Now add the cheese to this one. Yeah. Hey. Don't stop. Hey. Then I do my dance. Do my dance. I think that should be enough. And then we will put some a little more cheese on pepperoni pizza. And then we'll put it in the oven. And this, like, professionals do this. And now the other one. Do. Smiley face. And smiley face crying. No, I don't want my smiley face crying. Okay. Now, I think this should be enough. Now we'll put it in the oven because the oven is ready. It's ready. You gotta be careful, kids, because you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, guys, and we let it cook for 20 minutes. So let's see, is it ready? I think it is, guys. So I'm very hungry. Are y'all guys? I hope you are, because I worked very hard on this. And you saw. Ooh, look at that bubbly pizza, man. Ooh, it's hot, but it's fine. All the cheese is burned. Ooh, look, it's bubbling. Now we're going to let it cool down for 10 minutes because look, it's bubbling. See that? So it can easily burn your mouth. Hey guys, we're going to just take a bite of my pizza and see it's good or not good. I'm a little nervous. Okay, now let's get a few pieces. Ooh, hot. Got a little cool down. Ooh, hot. Take one more piece. Take one more piece. And we're going to set the table. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm a little scared. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. So hot. Oh, hot. Wow, it's actually very good. I like it. Ooh, I ate a lot of pizza. That was bussin'. So, like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.